I've done a talk through eyeshadow tutorial. I've been doing a lot of voiceovers, like quick tutorials with a voiceover. A lot of people have been liking those, so I've kind of been doing that recently. But I want to take a little break, chat with you guys. Hopefully this video is still rather short. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I know my last tutorial is with this palette, but it is beautiful and I wanted to put up another look. So let's just get right into it. Why not? Well, you know, why waste time? I'm taking whipped cream first. I know I usually go in with my transition color, but I just did my brows and I concealed right underneath there. So I'm kind of like setting that concealer because I don't want a dark shade to, you know, can you imagine a dark shade right underneath my eyebrow? Oh goodness. For transition color today, I'm picking up Sweetie Pie. This is like a yellowy, greeny, browny, mustardy color, I would say. And this is going in my crease and right above my crease, and I'm really blending this out. I love Too Faced eyeshadows. This palette is great. It's just, it's very forgiving. If you mess up, you can just blend out. Everything blends out really well. It doesn't like cling onto your wrinkles and things like that. I think it's time for a halo look. I don't know when the last time I did one, but I really like halo looks, guys. I can't help it. So I'm actually gonna take that same color, Sweetie Pie, and pack this in the inner corner and also in the outer V. I'm gonna lightly take the shade Pumpkin Spice and kind of just go over this shade, just very lightly. You guys obviously are seeing what I'm doing, just to help blend everything out, since this was supposed to be my transition color, but it ended up kind of being my like crease color and everything. To deepen everything up, I'm taking a little bit of Cocoa Drizzle, and I'm using this little brush, guys, that I got in those Rimmel palettes. I love this little brush. It has a sponge tip on the other end. I mean, it's a super cheap brush, but let me tell you, it works well. That obviously doesn't look great, right? You see that? I'm just gonna take my same, this is the E35, pick up Sweetie Pie, which is the first color I used. Let's just blend this out. Look at that. Damn, that looks good now. I was actually a little bit worried, but I was like, I don't gotta be worried with Too Faced shadows. They're just so nice. I feel like Too Faced definitely stepped up their pigmentation with this palette. I mean, these are pigmented, but I feel like these are just like the next level. Now I'm doing the same thing, blending, what is this shade called again? Cocoa Drizzle. Blending Cocoa Drizzle out with Sweetie Pie, right? Sweetie Pie. Making sure everything is seamless, rich. Wow, I don't think I've ever done like this mustardy brownie look. You know, this look actually, if you have, and this is just from my brain, I would have to double check, but just looking at this, I feel like the Naked Honey palette, you might be able to get something similar. But let's just do a little bit of concealer. Let's conceal right in the middle so that my glitter pops. I'm gonna use my pinky for this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now that the glitter is on, I need to blend it out a little bit so it looks a little bit more seamless with the matte shades. So I'm gonna be taking a combination of Cocoa Drizzle and of course Sweetie Pie, and we're gonna just blend out the edges a little bit. And Sweetie Pie, kind of just blending it everywhere. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of the yellow Pumpkin Spice that I mentioned earlier, getting that on the edges. And if you guys watch my tutorials, you know, I just love mixing shadows. I just feel like it gives it a whole new look, new vibe. I did not even use, guys, I didn't even use a 325, a Sigma 325 brush in this whole tutorial. You guys know what time it is. Concealer time. And of course I'm using my good old Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer by Too Faced. And we're doing it. We're doing the routine. That's that. I am going to go in, where's a little Morphe? Okay, I'm going in with this little Morphe brush I have. It's a G24. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. I'm not really a huge Morphe fan. I'm just gonna blend out the edges a little bit, and I'm just like going right over Get some more. Highlight underneath the eyebrow a little bit. Kind of just fluff it out so it looks a little bit less hard. I mean, it's still gonna have that edge, which I don't mind the edge. I don't know how other people feel about it. I like it. I think it lifts up my eyes, but I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. It just kind of like feathers it out a little bit, if that makes sense. I'm using the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder, my favorite. So now let's do the lower lash line. I'm going to take Cocoa Drizzle, put it right on the outer third of my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna blend everything out with Sweetie Pie. Okay, so I really want to use this eyeliner. I bought it from PIXI a really long time ago, and I've just been dying to use it. It's their eyeliner in Sage Gold. It's their Endless Silky Eye Pen. I bought this with my own money. They do send me, I am on their PR list, which is crazy. I feel like that's like, I seriously can't believe it. But this I did buy with my own money. I wanted like a green eyeliner. This is kind of what it looked, well, this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my God. So yeah, I thought it would be really pretty with this look. Yes, yes. Who am I? Oh, now let's do concealer. I'm going to mix these two. These are two of my favorite. Well, this is my favorite. This used to be my favorite. It's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect. And then I'm going to also mix in some Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express. And then we're done, guys. This is such an easy look, like all of my looks. All right, guys, the eyes are done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was super easy. I think it came out gorgeous. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I really like it. I think you guys will really like this tutorial, especially for fall. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm not gonna share that with you today, but if you guys do wanna see my full face and how I did it, check out my Instagram. I post my makeup, like mini makeup videos on there. And even if you don't follow me or whatever, if you can, check it out and tell me what you guys think. I don't know. I see a lot of people doing makeup videos on Instagram, and I kind of want your feedback on mine. So if you can do that for me, that would be great. But anyway, you'll see my finished look shots now. Thank you guys really honestly so much for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.